Alright, so today we're going to make weed killer that you can spray in your driveway or along your fence line or anywhere where you don't want grass or weeds to grow. Now this weed killer is non-chemical. It's not going to hurt your pets or your kids. And we like to eat some of the wild edibles that we find in our yard, so we don't want to put chemicals in our yard just because of that. So we're going to use this method. I've used it before and it does work pretty good. It works almost as good as Roundup, but you have to do it more often. Roundup you only do once or twice over a period of 3 months. This you're going to have to spray every few weeks, every 2 to 3 weeks or so. So the only ingredients you need for this is Epsom salt or table salt. We're probably going to mix a little bit of each. And then you need cleaning strength vinegar. And then some dish detergent.
And a measuring cup.
And a measuring cup. And next we'll go into how to make it. Okay, so what we need is 1 gallon of cleaning strength vinegar. So we got 2 half-gallon bottles. No, next we're going to do the salt because it's a dry ingredient, and then we'll do the soap last. So, for the Epsom salt, we're going to need 2 cups. So go ahead and pour that in here. So, okay. Go ahead. That's good.
Still got a little bit.
Yeah, we got a little extra, but I don't think that'll hurt anything. It'll just make the plants dry up sooner. Quicker, I guess I should say. Push that all in there. Now we need 1/4 cup.
Can I do the soap?
Just put, I'll tell you when, because there's no 1/4 cup on there, so just more. Okay, that's good. Okay, and what the soap does is it's just a surfactant, so it just makes the salt and the vinegar stick to the plant.
And it really looks clear.
Just makes it sticky.
It looks clear, a little bit orange, like sugar. If you ever tried sugar.
Okay. I'll just put this on. A little bit of salt in the way.